Indian Oil Corporation Limited is building its mega project, one of its largest and most expensive project till date, at Paradeep, Odisha. This 34,555 crores project will usher Indian Oil to the new heights of glory. Oil has been the indispensable engine of the world economy for over a century. And it is one of the greatest gifts of nature. The human survival is almost unimaginable without it. But there lies a story of incredible courage and physical hardship that has made possible the manifold blessings of oil and natural gas to modern civilization. It was in the year 1956, on 26th May, India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, declared in Parliament, oil is of vast importance in the world today. A country that does not produce its own oil is in a weak position. With that, Indian Oil was born, with the vision to pursue a policy of self-sufficiency in the petroleum sector as a strategic requirement of a free nation. India's first public sector refinery, and Indian Oil's Gangotri, was set up in Guwahati, Assam, with an initial capacity of 0.75 million metric ton per annum, and was inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 1st January 1962. Today, as the nation's flagship company, Indian Oil Group owns and operates 10 of India's 22 refineries, with a combined refining capacity of 65.7 million metric tons per annum. In a country with a billion-strong population, the demand for oil is enormous, and the global price fluctuations affect us socially and economically. It is the sole aim of Indian Oil to reduce this burden from our country's shoulders. Taking its sustained march forward, Indian Oil conceived this mega project. The 11th refinery of IOCL and the first coastal greenfield oil refinery at Paradeep with footprints of a petrochemicals complex. The foundations of the first unit of the petrochemicals complex, the 680 kilotons per annum polypropylene unit, with an investment of 3,150 crore rupees, was laid on the 16th November 2014. Paradeep Refinery is Indian Oil's most prestigious and capital-intensive project of India and Indian Oil till date. The refinery is located at Paradeep on the east coast of India in the state of Odisha. The refinery site is spread over a total area of 3,344 acres, which also includes 580 acres of greenbelt. Foundation for this ambitious project was laid by then Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2000 to bring in a new wave of development in Odisha. This refinery is conceived to process 100% heavy, high-sulfur, cheaper crude oil for better profitability. It is designed as one of the world's most technologically advanced petroleum refining structures with a Nelson Complexity Index of 12.2. This energy-efficient refinery, having Energy Intensity Index of 78.6%, will meet the spiraling domestic demand for LPG, petrol, diesel, ATF. It will also produce petrochemical feedstock such as propylene and other petroleum products. At 81.1%, Paradeep will have best-in-class distillate yield with products meeting stringent quality, environmental norms and zero emissions, which means nothing goes to waste. To build this mega structure, the refinery has used 2.8 lakh million ton of structural steel, which is almost equal to 30 Eiffel Towers or 350 Rajdhani trains. Total length of pipes being used in the project are 2,400 kilometers, almost the length of the river Ganges. The vacuum distillation column installed in the refinery is largest in the world. It is also proud to have the world's largest coke chambers of the delayed coking unit. This giant refinery will be controlled from main control room with our efficient engineers working 24/7. And this mega refinery and petrochemicals complex of Paradeep will be powered by Indian Oil's largest captive power plant with a capacity of 366 megawatt. As the refinery construction march ahead, Paradeep is witnessing a skillfully crafted engineering plan taking shape.
This is going to generate very fast industrial growth of the state of Orissa, as well as it will assure the economic prosperity to the state.
Massive steel columns girdle the sky. Engineers and workers, consultants and specialized vendors, and the Indian Oil team are giving shape to a technological marvel on the coastal shoreline of Paradeep. Marching towards completion, the 15 million metric ton per annum state-of-the-art grassroots refinery at Paradeep will take the Indian Oil Group's refining capacity to over 80 million metric ton per annum, thereby meeting the growing energy needs of the country. This will bring the state of Orissa close to achieving faster industrial development. To facilitate dispatch of petroleum products by sea route in domestic and overseas market, state-of-the-art South Jetty have been constructed in Paradeep Port with loading arms and all modern facilities. To handle very large crude carrier, 2 numbers of additional single-point mooring systems have been installed with undersea pipelines. All safety measures have been ensured at Paradeep Refinery. IOCL cares for its employees and understands their needs. A well-planned township has been built adjacent to the refinery with all the facilities like school, hospital, market, clubhouse, sport complex, guest house and community center for a peaceful stay for its employees. As part of its corporate social responsibility, Paradeep Project has been contributing to various community development efforts, including building Anganwadi centers, Cyclone Center to accommodate about 1,000 persons, construction of toilets, deep bore wells, roads, classrooms, renovation of school buildings, handicrafts and sewing training centers, teaching aids, books, street lights, regular medical camps, thus extending care to the people of Odisha. This modern temple of India is heading towards its completion. Commissioning of various units and facilities has already started in a phased manner. Odisha is on the path towards becoming a vibrant industrial and economic hub. Paradeep Refinery will provide the foundation for this rapid development. Paradeep Refinery will provide rupees 975 crores every year to the state as VAT. State share of excise duty from central government will be around 1,800 crores per annum. Guided by its corporate values of care, innovation, passion and trust, Indian Oil's Paradeep refinery will ensure greater self-reliance in supplying the vital energy products to the nation and beyond. India's vibrant Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, has dedicated himself to take India's development journey to newer heights and script a glorious future for the country. Indian Oil is steadfast in its commitment to India's energy security and to cater to the rapid economic growth of the nation. Paradeep refinery is taking final shape. The thrust is on making the refinery a benchmark in terms of technology, efficiency and productivity. Indian Oil welcomes you to join hands in making history, to let India shine brighter than any nation in the world.
मेरा करम मेरा ईमान है, मेरी आन मेरी शान जान है, आधार देश की प्रगति का दुनिया में इतना सम्मान है। आगे बढ़ेंगे ऊंचे उड़ेंगे, हम सबका यही अभियान है। इंडियन ऑयल, इंडियन ऑयल, इंडियन ऑयल मेरी पहचान है। इंडियन ऑयल, इंडियन ऑयल, इंडियन ऑयल मेरी पहचान है।